So we're going to now attach the 4-point lap strap to the Atom. As you can see, we've got 4 separate straps, and they're going to fit into the wooden grooves in the base of the unit. So we slip the straps underneath the hip guides, and then you'll be able to feed the straps through those wooden grooves. Once the straps have been fed through, we are then able to feed the straps through the cam locks. We can then adjust the lengths of those straps with the cam locks, depending on how wide the child is. Then we have a safety clip here, which can be clipped into place, and then we have tightening straps either side.